How to upgrade Data Center Expert. Please see the FAQ on Data Center Expert's complete upgrade process, which can be found in the APC website's FAQs. Receiving upgrade files, verifying file checksums, verifying virtual appliance storage space, and creating a backup are outlined in the complete upgrade process FAQ. Download the upgrade zip file for the next required upgrade. Upgrading Data Center Expert must be done incrementally if you are more than one revision behind. Extract the zip file. In the Data Center Expert desktop client, click on the Updates menu and select Apply Server Update. Select Import and navigate into the extracted upgrade directory. Double-click on the nbc.pkg.lst file or click on it and select Open. Select Install Update. The appliance will reboot during the upgrade process. Select Yes to continue with the upgrade. The upgrade files will transfer to the appliance. The upgrade progress will be displayed on Data Center Expert's web interface. Once the upgrade completes, the server will reboot. While waiting for the software to fully start, you can download the new desktop client. You must read and accept the license agreement to continue. Click on the binary.exe link to download the Windows installation file. Install the downloaded application. It is recommended to back up the appliance after each successful upgrade. Repeat the entire process for any remaining upgrades provided by technical support.